Don't you hate when you start a project and your sanding belt just snaps? My name's Tom. Welcome to my shop. On a broken sanding belt, I can lay out 6 3 5/8 circles with the hole saw. I've already traced them out. So the next would be taking tin snips, and I'm going to cut out the circle. Okay, one circle done. Save you some time. We'll go around with the snips and cut little lines all the way to the center. That's one style, existing star. And what I'll do is I'll punch a hole better to do on the floor. I got the hole, and I'll take this, set it down, put the pattern on top of it, and then trace this one out. Take the tin snips, cut the little corners out. And we'll need 4 of these. 2 in one direction, 2 in the opposite direction. That's coming in and just putting in all these little cuts here. I don't have a pattern for it, but just give you an idea what we're doing here. Cutting this. Cuts. So I'm going to take the star and I'm going to put these little this cardboard. This is from like a floor protector for wood floors. So I'm going to set that over the top of the grommet. Set down 1, 2, turn the direction, 3, and 4, and then another cardboard washer there, and then we'll take a piece here, and that's our little sandwich to make the star. So then we'll take a piece, set it there, and better on the concrete floor. We'll see how it does on the table. Okay, sanding star. So I'm going to take it in. And you know, this is just for demonstration. I would be wearing a mask. Thanks for watching.